Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Dice Den. It is currently Thursday, October 30th, about 8:30 a.m. Mountain Time. Going to start with another 72 throw practice session. This is what I try to do on a daily basis to try to improve. But we got 72 white chips. And then, depending upon what happens, we'll either substitute a green, red, or black chip. Green chip is if we have a 7 come out, we'll substitute a green chip. When we have a 7 out, we'll substitute a red chip for the 7. Horn numbers come out, we'll get a green, otherwise a white chip. If we establish a point and then we hit it, we're going to substitute a black chip. Okay? Let's get started. I'm going to use a hard way set. The 3-2-3-2 from stick left. About 8 feet from the end of the table, and it's a par toss. So everybody knows exactly what's going on. Dice are out. 3-2, 3-2. 6-4-10, 6-4-10. 10 is the point. We'll keep track of the ATS, and we will also keep track of the rolls for each side out. Put the count out there. Dice are out. 3-2, 3-2. Hard 6, hard 6. Hard 6. Dice are out. 3-2, 3-2. Two, three, 5. 2, 3, 5. Dice are out. 3-2, 3-2. There's our 4-3-7, 7 out in 4 throws. So we have to reset this. I'm going to substitute a red chip. And that was 4 throws. So down here by that. There we go. There's 4 for our first shooter, got 4 throws. Dice are out. Come out, roll. 3, 2, 3, 2. Is a 3, 1, 4. Point is 4. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. That is a 1, 3, 4. Point is made. So we are going to substitute a black chip on the 4. Puck comes off. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 6, 6, 12 on the come out. 6, 6, 12. Mark 12. Going to substitute the green chip down here on the 12 for the come out. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Two, 6, 8. Point is going to be an 8. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 'Having problems. My house cat is in the way. It's on my throwing station. Now she left for a minute or 2. Dice are out. 6, 2, 8. Another point is made. 6, 2, 8. Substitute a black chip on the 8. Puck comes off. So we have another come out roll. Dice are out. Hard 8. Hard 8, square, pair. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 3, 4, 7, 7 out. 7 tosses. So a little better. Substitute a red chip. That was 7 tosses. Okay. Reset. Reset my counter. Come out, roll, dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. That is a 1, 1, 2 aces in both places. Substitute a green chip. Put it on the 2 since it was a come out. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Hard 4, the ballerina, because it's a 2, 2. Point is going to be a 4. Mark it. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. One, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. Mark the 5. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Six, 2, 8. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. That is a 3 craps, a 1, 2, 3 3 craps. Was the deuce on this one? Either way, mark the 3. That was, yeah, I don't think I think the deuce was on the come out of this throw. If it was, I forgot to mark it. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Six, 5, yo, 6, 5, yo. White chip goes on the yo. Dice are out, 3, 2, 3, 2. Here's our 1, 6, 7. 7 out, and we got, again, 7 throws. So we're going to substitute a red chip. Reset. That was 7 throws. The math of the game says a 7 should show up every 6 throws, so we're still a little behind, but we're close. Three, 2, 3, 2. Dice are out. This is a come out 7. 3, 4, 7. Come out 7. So we're going to substitute a green chip. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 3, 1, 4. Point is 4. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. It's a hard 8. Hard 8. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 1, 5, 6. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 5, 2, 7. 7 out. That was 8 tosses. So we're getting a little better. Reset. Puck comes off. Going to substitute a red chip for the white chip on the 7. That was 8 tosses. We've had 4 shooters. Come out rolled. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. That is a come out 3. Come out 3. I'm going to substitute a green chip on the 3. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 6, 5, yo on the come out. 6, 5, yo. Substitute another green chip on the yo. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. That is a 4, 1, 5. 4, 1, 5. 5 is the point. Didn't mark the yo or the 3. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 5. Point is made 2, 3, 5. Let me substitute a black chip for point. Another come out roll. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 6, 4, 10. 6, 4, 10. Point is 10. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 6, 1, 7, 7 out. That was 9 throws, or I'm sorry, 6 throws. 6 throws. So we're not doing any better than a random shooter right now. Substitute a red chip on the 7. And 6 throws. So we've had 5 shooters. And 40, about 30 throws, somewhere in there. Not good. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Five, 4, 9. Point is 9. First one of those we've had. First 9 in 30 throws. That's pretty amazing. Unusual is what I would say. Okay. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. So 3, 1, 4. 3, 1, 4. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. 9 is marked. No, I'm sorry, that was a point. So we're going to substitute a black chip on the 9. Come out roll. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Two, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Point is going to be a 6. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 4, 3, 7. 5 throws. 4, 3, 7. There's just no rotation. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, reset. Substitute a red chip on the 7. There's 4 throws. Everything's reset. For 5 throws. I am sorry. That was 5 throws. Come out, roll. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. There's a come out 7, a 1, 6, 7. Substitute a green chip. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Another come out 7, 4, 3, 7. Substitute another green chip. A lot of double pitching here. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. This was an off-axis 7. Six, 1, come out 7. So we're getting our run of 7s, that's for sure. Still a come out roll. Four, 1, 5. We got a point. We made a point. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 4, 3, 7 out in 5 throws. Just not my day. We're just over halfway through. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Hard 10 is our point. Hard 10. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 3, 4, 7, 7 out. 2 tosses. Reset. 8 shooters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5, 6, 7. Somewhere I missed one, folks. Somewhere I missed one. Well, we still got. So we've done 42 throws. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 5. Point is made. 2, 3, 5. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 6, 6, 12. Boxcars. Mark the 12. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 5, 3, 8. 5, 3, 8. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 5, 4, 9. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 5. Point is made. 2, 3, 5. Substitute a black chip. Lucky comes off. Come out roll. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 6, 5, yo on the come out. 6, 5, yo. Substitute a green chip on the yo. Still a come out roll. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 5, 6, yo again on the come out. Another green chip on the yo. Still a come out roll. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 3, 2, 5. Point is 5. 5 is already marked. This is my longest throw of the day right here. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 6, 3, 9. 6, 3, 9. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 1, 5, 6. 6. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Oh, got lucky there. It split on me. Hard 6. Hard 6. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Hard 6 again, repeater. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Three, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 3, 4, 7. 7 out in 15 throws. Finally, a decent throw. Comes off, reset. Substitute a red chip on the 7. It's 15 throws. Come out, roll. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. It's 4, 1, 5. Point is 5. Boy, it seems like looking at the board, 5 is a popular number right now. At least on this session, but sure just seemed like we follow it up with a bad number. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. That is a 1, 1, 2 craps 2. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 6, 2, 8. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Oh gosh, we got lucky again. That is a 2, 3, 5 point is made. Substitute a black chip on the 5. Hook is off. Come out roll. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 3, 2, 5. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. That is a 3 craps. Mark the 3. White chip goes on the 3. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Four, 3, 7 in 7 tosses. It was a bad looking toss as soon as it left the fingers, so substitute a red chip. Okay, we're down to our last 7 throws. Whoops. And that was 7 throws on that shooter. Somewhere I missed a shooter out there. Come out, roll, dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Five, 4, 9. Point is 9. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 2, 4, 6. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 5, 4, 5, 9. Point is made. 4, 5, 9. I'm going to substitute a black chip on the 9. Come out, roll, dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Four, 2, 6 is the point. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. One, 1, 2, craps 2. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. One, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Okay, last toss, folks. 72 throws. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Two, 4, 6. Point is made. 2, 4, 6. Substitute a black chip for this on that. Points off. So we're in the middle of a shooter still. We've had 72 throws. Oh, we have 3 2s, one of them being a come out. 3 3s with one come out. 7 4s with 1 point made. We would expect 6. On the 5, we expect 8. And we had 13 with 3 points. Sixes, we should have 10. We have 8 with 1 point. Sevens, we should have 12 total, if the math works out right. We have 14 with 4 come-outs. We should have 10 8s. We've got 8 8s with 1 point. We should have 8 9s. We got 7 with 2 points. We got 3 10s. We have 4 yos with 3 come-outs. 2 12s with 1 come-out. So just out of curiosity, so 5 was our dominant number, 5, 6, 8, 9 inside. 4s were right behind. But too many 7s, folks. Too many. So let's see if we've got 72 throws counted out here. $10, $15, $20, $25, $30, $35, $40, $44, $54, $64, $72. So that was correct. Okay, let's count and see what we've got here with the shooters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think we had 10 shooters, but I'm only showing 9. So let's see how many chips we've got accounted for on this. Our longest throw was 15, right towards the end. $45, $50, $55, $60, $61. So we had 11 missed throws. Don't know why. Anyway, hope everybody enjoyed. I know these make for long videos, but the only way you get better is to practice, practice, practice. Just like my motto says, proper preparation prevents poor performance. PPPPP. So, it'll get better, I promise that. Just the last few days, just not into it for some reason. Anyway, till next time, everybody take care, stay safe, and God bless. I'll see you then.